ngibingelele nguGodfrey Mabuza, principal of Mthonjeni Secondary School. We're lucky enough this year to be chosen by SAFA South Africa. This program ihlanganisa ama-department lamaningi kanye nema-business sector, ama-bank. It assists kakhulu kubantwana ukuthi babe ne-information mayelana ukuthi amaphoyisa asebenza kanjani, and also ukuthi in terms of i-prison, what type of a situation or of an environment nelapha kuma-prison. It also assists also kubantwana ukuthi babe informed in terms of the justice system, ukuthi how does it work nangabe umuntu agangile awodlula esandle semaphoyisa aye ka-justice, after justice aye ejele ukuthi uhlala impilo lenjani. So bantwana kubancedise kakhulu such that now they are aware ukuthi ijele leli balibonako la kuma-TV alifani nelijele lelilapha eBarberton. Kunemehluko lomkhulu kakhulu. Namhla abantwana bakhona ukuhlukanisa ngisho nakubeka imali sebayazi ukuthi imali bayibeka kanjani. Kanti le program iphinde futhi yakhe isimilo sabo mayelana nokwenza ama-presentation ukuthi bakhona ukuthola ukuthi babobani. Ngalokho-ke incede kakhulu, siyabonga kakhulu ngale program namhla isithole esikoleni saseMthonjeni.